Welcome to this introductory video on C++. If you're new to programming or just getting started with C++, you're in the right place. C++ is one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. Whether you're looking to develop software, build games, or create systems, learning C++ is an essential skill. In this video, we'll cover the basics of C++, its history, how to set up your development environment, and write your very first C++ program. What is C++? C++ is a versatile, general-purpose programming language that builds on the foundation of C. C++ offers both high-level and low-level features, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from operating systems to video games. C++ is known for its performance and efficiency, allowing developers to have fine control over system resources. C++ also an object-oriented language, which means it supports concepts like classes and objects, making it easier to manage and organize complex code. History and evolution of C++. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup in 1979. Initially, it was called C with classes because it added object-oriented features to the C programming language. By 1983, it was renamed C++ to reflect the evolution of the language. Over the years, C++ has evolved with new features, making it a language that can meet modern programming demands while maintaining the efficiency of its predecessor, C. Setting up the development environment. Before we start writing C++ code, we need to set up our development environment. This involves installing a C++ compiler and an integrated development environment, or IDE. Here are popular choices you can select on your own choice. The first is Code Blocks. The second is Visual Studio. The third is Visual Studio Code with C++ extensions. In this series, we'll use Code Blocks, which is beginner-friendly and easy to set up. Simply visit the Code Blocks website, download the installer, and follow the instructions to install it. Let's move in the browser. Type in Browser Code Blocks and press Enter. Click on the first link. Click on the download link. Click on Download the binary release link. Click on FOSS Hub link. Click on Code Blocks Windows 64-bit, including compiler link. Notice that maybe start downloading IDE without compiler. It's 35 megabits file. If start, then closed it. Click again on Code Blocks Windows 64-bit including compiler. Notice that it's 145 megabits file. Double-click on IDE or right-click and click on Run as administrator. Enter your Windows admin password, if exist, and click on Yes. Installation will start. Click on Next button. Installation complete. Click on Next button to open the IDE. OK, you notice that the GNU/GCC compiler is installed. Click on OK button. Congratulations! Our development environment is ready to start the coding in C++. Let's create a new project. So, click on File menu, then click on New and click on Project. Click on Console Application and click on Go button. Click on Next button. Assure that C++ is selected and click on Next button. Type the project name and browse the folder location where you want to save your project and click on Next button. Again, click on Next button. Now your project is created and open. Click on Source and click on main.cpp. Click on Run button. When we run this program, it outputs Hello World to the console. This simple program demonstrates the basic structure of a C++ program, including how to display text on the screen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!